Hello and welcome to GM-BIST construction. This is Benedict, your instructor. Today we are going to learn how to design our pit foundation. So what is pit foundation? Pit foundation is a type of shallow foundation in which the load of a structure is transferred to the substructure in form of a pit. Now in most cases where you have high volume of load being transferred to your foundation, let's say pad foundation, under the pad there are allowances created for this pit foundation, where sometimes you may decide to use concrete depending on the type of structure, or you may decide to use reinforced concrete, or it may just be concrete, just to transfer the load from the superstructure to the substructure using your pit. So today we are going to learn how to design it. In most cases, this type of foundation is combined with your footing, so you may not actually know where you have high volume of or higher depth of your footings. So we are going to learn how to design our pit foundation. So the first thing you do is to go to your design library, details library. For detail library, you can see there are different types of structures here, or let me say elements here. You have your covet, you have your slab drop. So we'll be going to our pit foundation. So under our pit foundation, the top elevation is usually 0. Starting at ground level 0. The slab depth, because you are going to actually transfer your load from the superstructure or from part of the foundation to the pit. So this is how the pit looks like in this form. So the load is being transferred at this place. So let's say 600 for our design, and the width let's say 750. Yes. So top elevation is minus 2000. Yes, slab depth will be 600, and our length, so 1.5 meters. So our laying concrete, let's assume it's a waterlogged area, so say 100. So these are just the parameters you need to feed. The next thing you do is click OK. So you have designed your pit foundation. This is a plain type of pit foundation. You just need your concrete at this point. So in our next video, we'll be learning how to design our pit foundation, where we'll be able to use our reinforced concrete. So this type of pit foundation can actually be used where you have your load bearing. In order to avoid differential settlement, you can actually create this for your shallow type of foundation, and for normal duplex, 1 suspended floor, 2 suspended floor, but not for high-rise building. So thank you. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay tuned for more of our tutorial videos. Thank you. I remain Benedict from GM-BIST construction.